Hi guys, welcome to Exampad. In today's class, we are going to learn how to solve these types of problems, and they ask us to find x value by equating the equation. So, if you see here, 343 the whole power x, which is equal to 1 by 49, root power of x 49 into root power of x 434. So, we know that if root a is there, so if you want to remove this root, what do you have to do? So it's defaultly 2, right? So I'm going to take square on both sides. Similarly, here what will be there? Root x. So root a x power x. So if you want to remove this root x, then what you have to do? I'm going to raise x to the power. We can able to remove this root and x. Okay, so just apply this formula here. So therefore, in order to remove this x, I'm going to take power x on both sides. So I'm going to take power x on both sides. Okay, so this equation becomes 343 the whole power x, which is equal to 1 divided by 49 x 49 x 343 the whole power x. So this can be written as 643, sorry, here x is there. So x into x into x square, which is equal to, this can be written as 1 by 49 the whole power x and root x 49 into root x 343 the whole power x, and this x get cancelled, this x and this root x get cancelled, therefore which is equal to 1 divided by this x which moves here. We know that 1 by a the whole power x, which is equal to 1 divided by a power x. Just apply this here. Therefore 49x, this root x and x get cancelled, so the remaining is 49 root x 343 root x. Okay, so now what we have here is 343 x square, which is equal to 1 divided by 49x into 49 root x 343. So now we have another root x is there. So in order to remove this, I'm going to take again I'm going to take power x on both sides. Okay, so if I'm going to raising power x on both sides, then this becomes, so the both get multiplied. So x square into x become x cube, right? So this becomes 3, 4, 3. The both get multiple, therefore it becomes x cube, which is equal to, and this can be written as 1 divided by 49x the whole power x, and here 49, this x will come here, and I'm going to write this x likewise. Okay, I'm just splitting and give its own power. Okay, so now this, which is equal to 1 divided by 49 the x power x the whole power x, and this become 49x. Okay, and this becomes this root x and x get cancelled, so therefore I'll get 343 here. So this will be in multiplication. In left hand side we have 34 whole power x cube, and this will be equal to 3 power 43 whole power x cube, which is equal to, and this both get multiple, therefore this becomes 49 power x square into 49x into 343. We know that 343 is equal to 7 cube. Similarly, 49 is equal to 7 square. Just apply this in one place. Therefore, this becomes 7 cube the whole power x cube, which is equal to here 1 divided by 7 square the whole power x square into 7 square the whole power x into this becomes 7 cube. So now I'm going to rewrite this as, so this will both get both in multiplication. So 3 into x cube becomes 7 3x cube, which is equal to, and this becomes 1 divided by 7 2x square into here 7 2 into x 7 power 2x into here 7 cube. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this as, so now I'm going to rewrite this as 7 3x cube 7 power 3x cube, which is equal to 1 divided by 7 power 2x square into 7 2x into 7 cube. So that we have that. So now I'm going to shift this denominator term towards numerator. Okay, therefore this becomes 7 3x cube, which is equal to 7 power, this become minus. We know that 1 by a can be written as a power minus 1. So just apply this rule here. Therefore minus 2x square into 7 2x into 7 cube. Okay. Now what you have to do is a power m, a power n, a power n. So a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Is it? Just apply this rule here. Therefore this becomes 7 power 3x cube, which is equal to, this can be written as 7 minus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. So we know that base is equal whose power is also equal. Therefore from this we can able to write this as 3x cube, which is equal to minus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay. Now I'm going to rewrite this as 3x cube. I'm going to shift these term towards left side. Therefore minus 2x square become plus 2x square minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So now I'm going to solve this equation in synthetic division method. So for that, first I'm going to draw like this, and then I'm going to write the coefficient of x terms. Okay, x cube term and x square term and x term. Coefficient of x cube term is 3. Coefficient of x square term is 2. Coefficient of x term is minus 2. And coefficient of constant is nothing but minus 3. So let's start with 1. So 1. So I'm going to write defaultly as 0 here. So 1. So 3 plus 0 is 3. So now I'm going to multiple 1 and 3. 1 and 3 I get multiple, I'll get 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Again 1 and 5 get multiplied. Then the result is 5. So if I add these two, I'll get 3. Then 1 and 3 get multiplied. Then I get result as 3. If I add these two, it becomes 0. Therefore, I'm going, now from this I can able to found a factor x is equal to 1. This one. Okay. So first we found x is equal to 1. And from this I can able to write a factor is x, this minus 1. So from this I can able to write x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So a factor is x minus 1 is here, into this can be written as 3x square, and this is 5x, and this is plus 3, which is equal to 0. From this I can able to conclude x minus 1 is equal to 0, and then 3x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. From this I can able to found x is equal to 1. Okay. From this we can able to know a is equal to the coefficient of x square is 3, and b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 3. We know the formula to solve this quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just apply its value here. Therefore, minus 5 plus or minus the root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 3 into 3. So, for 4 into 3 into 3 is 9 4s are 36. 9 is 9, 2 9 is 18, 3 9 is 24, 4 9 is 36. So, 36 divided by 2 into a is 2 into 3 is 6. So, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 36 is 11. So, root of minus 11 divided by 6, and this can be written as minus 5 plus or minus the root of, we know that already minus 1 can be written as I square. So, instead of minus 1 I am going to write I square and into 11 divided by 6, and this will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus I root 11 divided by 6 is another x value. It's completely in complex form. We can't consider this as an answer. So, x minus 1 is the answer for this equation. Okay, we found two values of x and 1 and plus or minus I root 11. So, if this question is asked in MCQ question, if you see the option as 1, then that's the correct answer. If it will be asked in 5 mark or 10 mark any other questions, then you need to conclude that this complex number also you need to find this also. So this also considered as an answer for the higher mark questions. Okay, so practice twice and twice, you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.